Well, that was kind of a neat little surprise. Came home a little while ago and found a package on the front porch, and lo and behold, it's my rebuild kit for the Turbo 400. Oregon Performance Transmissions. Reason I want to make sure and throw their name out there is I got a really good deal on this upgraded rebuild kit. And what I wanted you guys to know was I did make a change. Originally, I've been talking about using the green I think they're green high energy Raybestos clutches. Well, I ended up upgrading after doing a little bit more research as far as, you know, expectations of power output, heat, different aspects of the clutch materials. What was really cool about this kit is it pretty much comes with everything. Plus it has a bunch of nice little upgrades, which I'll cover here in just a second. $219.99 free shipping. That was the best deal I could find. It comes with your lip seal tool. Use this to work your lip seals in and around. That was a free. Now this particular soft seal, this is what I call your seal kit. This actually has your pan gasket, which had I known I was going to buy a whole deluxe rebuild kit like this, I would have saved the money and not ordered that other fiber pan gasket. Look at what happened. This rebuild kit came with the upgraded gasket already in it. So, you know, live and learn. I've got some extras here. I've got all my lip seals that I needed. I'm going to have some extra valve body gaskets. It comes with the newer style. This is the style I prefer. Seal for your dipstick tube. Front and rear seals. Let's see, tail housing seals. You know, all your little soft parts that you're going to need. Your pump gasket. That's all just kind of a given whenever you get these little soft, what they call soft part kits. Has all your O-rings and all that junk. Okay. Now, this is a normal fiber filter. You know, I'm not going to use this filter. I'm going to use that upgraded metal screen filter that I got, which was that like Allison, like AL540, which is supposed to be the preferred no restriction filter. I hadn't got that, but I've got this for later. You never know. You might do a service or on somebody else's vehicle or whatever. So now for the part that I wasn't expecting to do, but I ended up getting such a good deal, I just went for it. Alright, so instead of doing the Raybestos high energy green frictions, I upgraded to the Raybestos red waffle clutches. Okay, so what's interesting about this deluxe kit is that it comes, of course, with your adjustable red stripe modulator valve, which most of them do. But if you look at this, I get both a front Kevlar band and a low reverse heavy duty Kevlar bands, both of which were included in the kit, shipping included. So we can't complain about that at all. But I also, for that same price, got Kolene steels. Originally I was just going to use replacement new Raybestos steels, but when I got to looking online and I found the better information on these red waffle clutches, then this kit was, I think, the only kit anywhere under $300 that included both your front and low reverse bands. Plus they upgraded them to the heavy duty, see if you can see that, heavy duty Kevlar. I was just kind of shocked, and I had to read the ad several times because I was thinking, is this real? Like, are they actually going to give me this much, you know, product for 220 bucks, or bushing this is? But you got your pump in here, because I've been checking all the bushings as I'm disassembling that Turbo 400. Now this looks like the rear case one. I don't know. I'll have to match them up. But anyway, I went with the ones that just had the new pump bearings and the general wear bearings, because the rest of mine look good. Plus I've already ordered that anti-walk rear case bushing, and I'm just waiting for it to come in. Hopefully, I think the expected delivery is like Monday or Tuesday of next week. But I just wanted you guys to see that I went ahead and upgraded to the Raybestos Red Waffle clutches, Kolene steels, and I believe this is going to be my Kevlar low reverse band, because all this stuff needed to be replaced anyway. But, well, you know, trying to make my pennies go as far as I could, so I did a lot of research and a lot of shopping online. And lo and behold, I end up getting everything that I really wanted at what I feel is an excellent price. So front and, you know, I call it front and rear bands, Kevlar, upgraded frictions and steels. And I got my soft part kit to get all my lip seals and gaskets and all that good stuff. So now we have jumped over that hurdle. Once we can get the last few items to be delivered, hopefully early next week, we can get that transmission assembled. So I just wanted to share with you the rebuild kit I picked up from the Oregon Performance Transmissions. Their prices and the parts that they offer in their kits were, in my opinion, well worth the money that they're charging. So anyway, just wanted to share, guys. Thanks for watching.